Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to change the vertex color. Okay, see, when you select object, then click right button, edit vertex, then we can see the vertex colors. It like is green and red. Red means object, it will be end point. So we can change these two colors. Okay, how we can change? So click here editor, then click option, then this one is the starting point, green color. I am going to change the color yellow. Click, then this one also I am going to change white color, then click OK, then apply. See, I am going to edit, select this one, edit vertex. See, before it is showing here green, now it is showing yellow color. This one is before red color, now it is showing white color. Okay guys, like this we can change the vertex colors. And when you are select vertex moving, that time it is showing green and inside magenta color. This color also we can change. So same thing, click here, that color here, selected one I am going to select here, then that one also I am going to give the yellow. Select this one also I am going to select different color. I will give white color. Click OK, apply. See, we select yellow and white when we are moving. This one also before it is magenta color, now it is yellow color. Like this we can change the vertex colors, because dependence upon your choosing. Depends upon like this, we before it is green we cannot visible clear, now we can see the clear vertex, so that time we can change the colors. Okay guys, thank you so much.